Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make zucchini bread, moist and tasty. There's an explosion of zucchini in gardens now, and this is a great way to use up that extra zucchini. All the ingredients are in a link in the description below. We'll need all-purpose flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, cinnamon, and cloves, a few pinches of grated nutmeg, white sugar, brown sugar, vegetable oil, eggs, vanilla extract, and of course the zucchini. I'm using 2 medium zucchini. We'll need 2 loaf pans to make this recipe. These ingredients are very simple, and you probably have most of them in your pantry already. It's really easy because you can mix everything in a bowl and don't have to pull out your mixer. Heat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 163 degrees Celsius. Trim the bottom of the zucchini. We'll hold the top when we grate it so there's no waste. Grate the zucchini on a box grater or your food processor. I just do it on the box grater because it's 2 zucchini and takes literally 2 minutes to grate. Here's 1 zucchini grated in less than a minute. From the 2 medium zucchinis, you'll have about 3 cups. Get a big bowl and add the eggs. Whisk them well and add the oil. Vanilla extract, white sugar, and brown sugar. Mix this really well until smooth. Grate the nutmeg over the flour, just 2 pinches. Add the cinnamon, cloves, baking powder, soda, and salt. Whisk this very well or sift it. Add some of the flour into the wet ingredients and mix. Add the rest of the flour and mix until fully incorporated. The batter will be thick. Add the zucchini and mix. Prepare the loaf pans by buttering the bottom and all sides. Put a little flour in and coat the pan. Tap out the excess flour. This is an easy parchment paper substitute, and the bread will come out easily. Pour half the batter in each pan. Tap the pans on the counter. Bake in the preheated oven for 45 to 55 minutes, depending on your oven. Definitely check after 45 minutes. Put a toothpick in the middle, and if it comes out clean or with a few crumbs, the bread is cooked. The middle will spring up when lightly pressed. Now the hard part, waiting for the bread to cool down. Give it about 45 minutes to an hour. The pan is a little bit warm. It doesn't have to be completely cool. Take an offset spatula or butter knife and go around the sides. Pull in a little. Turn the pan over, give it a few taps, and it'll come out easily. Two nice loaves of zucchini bread. Cut thick slices. You should get 8 to 10 slices out of each loaf. It's soft and lightly sweet. If you like it on the sweeter side, add another 1/4 cup of white sugar when you're making the batter. I prefer it this way because I spread soft butter on it and eat a slice with coffee or tea. I do hope you try this as it's very simple to make. I won't call it healthy, but it has a lot of one vegetable in it, so it's better for you than most desserts. 1 slice is filling, and there will be plenty of leftovers. You can store the bread in the fridge for a few days or slice, wrap tightly, and put in the freezer for longer storage. It's a quick snack to pull out and heat up for kids and adults. For all my subscribers who look forward to watching my new recipes, I will be going away for a few weeks, so I probably won't get a chance to upload videos. There are plenty of playlists and older videos you may not have seen, so I hope you enjoy watching them. Bye for now. See you when I get back.